Hello. I've got a unpacking slash review for you today. A little bit ago, Aosky sent me over a toolkit, a 70 in 1, I believe it was. This is their 45 in 1. It's called the Aosky Magnetic Screwdriver Set Precision 45 in 1 Repair Toolkit, applied to phone, watch, laptop, electronic devices, and more. And it's $16.99 on Amazon. Prime shipping works. Yeah, it's shipped in this padded envelope inside of a box. I already sliced it open just to, make it easier for the unboxing or unpacking here. Comes with this plastic here over the protective cover. Yeah, the carrying case is nice. There are little locks, I guess you want to call them. I don't know what size lock would fit, but it has a sliding tab on the back, so you can hang it up, which is nice. I mean, I think I have a lot of my stuff hung up on walls downstairs. The latch is very well, holds it in place. It's sturdy, but we do have a pair of tweezers that come with it. They're fairly, standard stuff. I mean, for what they are, they seem fine for the job. I mean, I guess you can use them for these too, to help you get these out. But tweezers are always handy when you're, working with electronics, and they fit. Everything has a little spot in here, of course. We have a handle here. It has rubber coating on it, and a back spins for you to make it a little bit easier. There's a collet on the front, or chuck, you want to call it, and it works very well. It is magnetic, and there's a pin here in the case, which helps hold this in, which I like. Oops. There is a flexible shaft as well. It's really in there. There we go. It's a flexible shaft that you can use. You'll attach it to, here, and then you can attach your bits, all the different bits, to that. We have sockets, 2, 4, 6, 7 of them, varying from, looks like 5.5 millimeter down to 2.5 millimeter. Then we have a large assortment of various sizes. Down here we have, these are all Phillips and flat blade. And then we have your hex ones up here, but then also we have the security ones as well, which are nice. The one thing I'm not very sure about this is, as you can see, they don't, like, hold in place, as it were. They do just pop out. Here's some more flat-bladed ones, actually, over there. Maybe something got mixed up, I think. I don't know. But it's a nice little toolkit. I think it'll make a great gift. For $17 is well worth. I mean, I love the other kit. I really do. I think the other kit is really good here, but let's check this out real quick. I can show you this here. Oops. Well, I'll use that one. This one can go in here like so. Maybe if I loosen it. And it is magnetic, and it's a fairly strong magnet as well. Even like that, it picks up the other ones. But let's do this, and we have the flex shaft, which we can put in here like so. And then this one, and there's a magnet on this end as well. You can hold this part here and here, and you can just turn like so you can guide it into position wherever you need it to go. I think flex shafts are very handy, especially when working with computers and electronics and stuff like that. If you can't really get into an area, the flex shaft can, which is nice. You could probably put this in a drill, actually, if you wanted to, depending on the chuck size. No, I think, yeah, this should fit most any. But Aosky Precision 45 in 1 toolkit, very nicely made. The carrying case is solid and sturdy. The whole thing isn't bad. I mean, there's a nice assortment of bits for you. Very common and not so common. Like I said, these security hex bits here with the hole in the center of them. They're not exactly common, and they're really nice to see in a set like this because you run into them quite often, and they're just a pain. I end up having to drill them out. And, you know, it kind of damages things, but, you know. But, sockets are nice, too. I mean, all the bits and everything are, they seem well made. The other set I did actually use in real world for some other stuff. I took apart my entire washing or dryer because I had to change the motor. I had no problems at all with it. Nothing, you know, chipped, stripped, or anything like that. And these are the same type of bits, same company, so I'm sure they're the same quality. It is a portable. I mean, it's very, very portable. You can probably put it in your pocket for that matter. We got 46 in one or 43 in one. I don't know. But whatever. That's just things on the back. But it's a nice kit. Very nice kit. Aosky 45 in 1 precision kit. Phones, electronics, laptops, whatever. But that's it. Thanks a lot.